विसा उपरांत परत येवकार. प्रायम जमीन आसा ती भौशीक वापरा खातीर हाडपाक आपूण झुजतलो म्हण आमदार आल्मेदान सांगलां.
Land belongs to revenue department. You should understand that. Now, if I am for a purpose, I am going to demand with the government that land should be brought back and it should be used for a public purpose. आता 30 वर्ष झाली तो जागो दिलेलो एक हॉला लागून आनी हॉला कॅपॅसिटी आली तेन्ना 250 बांदपा पयली 250 ती मागीर 850 गेली मागीर some malified intentions आनी रवींद्र बांदले बायणा. Now they are asking for commercial activity there. This is what I have got information from the revenue department. I will fight for the land as an MLA of Vasco and as a meeting and on behalf of Vascoites. Out the zago rekno potto Vascokaran rekno gepa jogotto the zago. Ida to zago am so our forefathers. So I feel that the land should be utilized for some public purpose. I will ask for that government. I will ask the government to give that land to the council, or let the government may come up with some proposal of that land.
तशेंच वास्कोंत ज्यो ऑयल टँकी आसात त्यो चडश्यो जुवारी नगरांत शिफ्ट केल्यात. त्या सुवातेर टँकांनी उदक आसा म्हण आमदार आल्मेदा सांगता.
Oil tanks are shifted basically. Most of the oil tanks have been shifted. HP is the functioning only skeleton here. Even the IOC is the functioning only skeleton stuff. And they have shifted to Zuari Nagar, Zuari regional tanking. They are storing a lot of water in the tanks now there.
Not much of oil.
No. And then even one more discussion is going on with them to hand over some land back to the council. So we can come up with a big project there.
तशेंच रोड स्विपिंगाक MPTन जे मशीन हाडलां ते लोकांनी बरे रितीन वापरपाक दिवचें. मस्ती करून काम आडोवचें न्हय म्हण आमदार कार्लोस उलयला.
एक नो रोड स्विपिंग मशीन आमी MPT को मागलेले आनी आतां आमी रोड स्विपिंग काल चालू जालेले रातचे. आयज म्हाका सकाळीं कळलें की कोणेशन ते स्टॉप केलें म्हूण मशीन आनी त्या ड्रायव्हरा मारलो एंड दे हॅव अटॅक द ड्रायव्हर एंड थ्रेटन हिम. I am going to ask for a report from the police, what action they have taken and whether MPT has complained or whether driver has complained. कित्याक हिंगा कितें दादारी काय चलपाचें ना. आमी ते रोड स्विपिंग मशीन हाडला रोड स्वीप करपाक. This does not mean to say that I am encouraging some illegalities in the port. I will take my own stand on the other issues later on. पूण हे भाशेन कोण समज करता जाल्यार पुलिसेन एक स्ट्रॉंग एक्शन घेवन they have to arrest those people.
RDX गोवा खातीर मुरगांवच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.